Kendall Travis here with Dave Perry Miller Real Estate. We are going to see, do you guys want to know what does $10.9 million buy you in Dallas, Texas? I'm about to show you just a little sneak peek of what you can get for just under $11 million. Okay, you guys, super excited today to go on our Monday home tour today. We are seeing two homes. We are calling this the Mega Million Home Tour today. So we've got, first home is on Dorset Road, which is right off of Strait Lane. Why is this important? Strait Lane is one of the most expensive streets in Dallas. So that one is the first one. That one, get ready, you guys, $10.9 million. So for those of my Mega Million buyers out there, this house is gorgeous, newly redone. Everything has been updated. It's over 10,000 square feet. So anything and everything that you want is in this home and more. I did not even get to video all of it. It was humongous, but you get to see the entire downstairs. If you want to see the rest, give me a call, subscribe to my channel, and I can take you on a tour, and you are more than welcome to see the rest. The upstairs is spectacular. The home on Dorset is represented by my two fellow Dave Perry Miller agents, Ryan Strife and Charles Gregory. They are both with Dave Perry Miller. They are our top of the line, high-end agents. I would love to work with them on a deal. Okay, so the 3826 Shenandoah Drive is a famous landmark home from 1926. It is being represented by Karen Fry and Ryan Strife. Also, Dave Perry Miller agents. This one is in Highland Park. It has been remodeled. It is absolutely stunning. This one's going on the market for $6.495. It is a little over 5,300 square feet. It is a absolutely stunning home in Highland Park. For those of you that are looking for Highland Park School District, HPISD, This is in Highland Park School District, so you can get into one of the best school districts in Dallas. So stay tuned. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. These are some big homes, my friend. So any of you out there looking for top-end luxury homes, these are the two for you. We have lots more to show you. Kendall Travis, Dave Perry Miller Real Estate. Be sure and subscribe to my channel for all the latest market updates.